Today, I'm going to tell you my own story of how I went from a low-paying job to a successful online entrepreneur running a profitable online business. I'm going to show you how I use the techniques of Neville Goddard to transform my life and achieve my dreams. But before I do that, let me ask you a question. Do you worry about your future and how to pay your bills? Do you feel stuck or blocked in your financial situation? Do you want to experience more money and freedom in your life? You see, most people don't realize that they are living in a simulation. A simulation created by their own mind. A simulation that reflects their beliefs and feelings about themselves and the world. This is what Neville Goddard called the matrix of mind. He said that everything we see and experience in our physical reality is a projection of our mental state. And that we can change our reality by changing our mental state. He said, the world is yourself pushed out. Ask yourself what you want and then give it to yourself. Do not question how it will come about, just go your way knowing that the evidence must appear. This is the essence of the law of assumption. The law that states that whatever we assume to be true, with conviction and feeling, will manifest in our reality. Neville Goddard taught many methods and techniques to apply this law, but one of his most powerful and effective ones was the bedtime routine. He said that the best time to impress our subconscious mind with our desired state is when we are falling asleep. Because in that state, we are more receptive and less resistant to new ideas and feelings. He said, as you lie in bed preparing for your subjective sleep, review the day, see where you could have done better, make a resolve that if a similar situation arises tomorrow you will act differently, then take an event which implies that your desire is already fulfilled, something which would happen after your desire is realized, something which would have no meaning unless your desire were realized, immobilize the physical body, relax completely, enter into the state akin to sleep, then mentally feel yourself right into the proposed action, imagining all the while that you are actually performing the action here and now. This is what I did every night for a couple of months. I imagined myself as a successful online entrepreneur, running a profitable online business. I imagined myself receiving payments from my customers, creating valuable content for my audience, enjoying the freedom and flexibility of working from anywhere in the world. I felt the joy, gratitude and satisfaction of living my dream. I assumed that it was already true. And I fell asleep in that state. And guess what happened? My reality started to change. My imagination started to become fact. I started to attract more opportunities, ideas and resources to grow my online business. I started to gain more subscribers, followers and customers. I started to earn more money than ever before. I went from rags to riches by changing my self-concept and assuming the feeling of my wish fulfilled. And you can do it too. You can create your own reality with your imagination and feelings. You can attract more money and prosperity into your life with the bedtime routine. You can go from rags to riches by following Neville Goddard's teachings. But don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself. Here's a simple exercise that Neville Goddard taught his VIP students at the end of his lectures. It's a step-by-step guide on how to use the bedtime routine effectively. 1. Before you go to bed, review your day and see where you could have done better. Make a resolve that if a similar situation arises tomorrow, you will act differently. 2. Then, think of an event that implies that your desire is already fulfilled. Something that would happen after your desire is realized. Something that would have no meaning unless your desire were realized. 3. For example, if you want to attract more money and prosperity into your life, you could imagine yourself receiving a large check in the mail, or depositing a huge amount of money into your bank account, or buying something expensive that you always wanted, or celebrating with your friends and family. 4. Then, immobilize your physical body and relax completely. Enter into a state akin to sleep, where you are drowsy but still awake and aware. 5. Then, mentally feel yourself right into the proposed action. Imagine that you are actually performing the action here and now. Use all your senses to make it as vivid and realistic as possible. 6. Feel the emotions that you would feel if your desire were fulfilled. Feel the joy, gratitude, satisfaction, confidence. Assume that it is already true. 7. Repeat the scene over and over again until you fall asleep in that state. That's it. That's all you need to do. Do this every night until your desire manifests in your reality. And watch how your life changes for the better. You can attract more money and prosperity into your life with the bedtime routine. You can go from rags to riches by changing your self-concept and assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. You can do it. I did it. And so can you. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.